Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is about one embroidery stitch that you have been demanding to me, requesting to me, commenting a lot to share more creative and stylish unique ideas of Gujarati silai, Gujarati jamar, Sindhi embroidery, Sindhi karhai, Kutch work, and many different patterns and different names have been termed for this embroidery stitch. Yes, very easy, very beautiful, beginners friendly hand embroidery designs for dresses specifically designed for decent, elegant and stylish girls have been shared. Friends, the beauty of this hand embroidery stitch is that if you know this embroidery stitch, then this embroidery stitch requires the knowledge of no else embroidery stitch or type of hand embroidery. Its beauty is that it alone covers a whole embroidery pattern. So friends, but the creativity uniqueness in my today's video is that I am sharing Sindhi embroidery Kutch work along with mirror work to give more creative and creativity for my friends and subscribers and viewers. So friends, kindly do try these patterns. You can make these dresses onto plain fabric, onto a plain color fabric with respect to the season that you are having. Like for summers, you can make these on Swiss lawn or thin cotton, and in winters you can make this on linen, corduroy, heather, wool and many other warm stuffs. So I hope that you like my today's ideas. If you really like my ideas, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Stay tuned for my new videos for my new ideas, and don't forget to comment to let us know what you feel about our video and what you want to share your opinions for our improvements or for the sharing of our new content. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon back in my new video.